SmartVent, the original under-shingle intake vent. SmartVent, patented in the US, tested and introduced to the roofing industry in 1999. It is the original and most versatile under-shingle intake or exhaust ventilation system on the market. SmartVent's tapered design can be used for intake or exhaust at the eave, mid-roof, off-wall, shed roof, off-peak, or dormer venting. A little bit on the history of homes and why the increased need for ventilation. Older homes can sometimes ventilate on their own through natural openings in the home. These days, due to energy efficiency, homes are built much tighter. This increases the need for ventilation. Many homes are also built with little or no soffits. Many contractors also recommend ridge vents without proper intake ventilation. If air cannot come in, it cannot go out. A good example is sucking on a straw with your finger blocking the bottom and then removing it. In many cases, we have found there has been a lack of communication between the various contractors on a project site regarding soffit venting and insulation. An example would be, the siding contractor does the perforated soffits. The insulation contractor does the blown-in insulation over the soffit. The roofing contractor assumes there is soffit intake and installs a ridge vent. This leaves the home without proper ventilation. Home ventilation is impacted by this. Using SmartVent keeps the roofer in control for both intake and exhaust of the home. SmartVent passed the New England ice damming test and the Dade County hurricane test. SmartVent intake vent is listed with the ICC, the International Code Council. It has been rigorously tested and proven effective even under extreme weather conditions for over 25 years. SmartVent works with all shingle types, which would include asphalt, slate, cedar, and metal. The low-profile design totally blends SmartVent into the roof and stays virtually unnoticeable. SmartVent has durable lifetime performance with a life-of-the-roof warranty. Key sales points for SmartVent. 1. SmartVent helps validate shingle manufacturer warranties for ventilation requirements. Building codes require continuous and balanced attic ventilation. Data suggests that 85% of homes lack proper ventilation, and the main issue is lack of intake ventilation. 2. SmartVent improves air quality. It vents hot, moist air from the attic, reduces risk of mold growth, and improves overall indoor air quality. 3. SmartVent protects your roof structure by helping prevent heat and moisture buildup that can cause ice damming, rotting, roof decking damage, and premature aging of the roof system. 4. SmartVent preserves insulation efficiency and effectiveness, helping keep insulation dry, preserving its R value, whereas moist insulation loses effectiveness. SmartVent protects your energy-saving investment. 5. SmartVent helps reduce utility costs by preventing heat buildup in the summer and moisture retention in the winter. SmartVent contributes to the lowering of heating and cooling bills. To summarize, SmartVent enhances the roofing system with all of these benefits and ensures that you will maximize the life of your customer's roof and ultimately the entire home. Thank you for learning why SmartVent is essential and needed for all of your roofing projects.